Wake up. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I like to wake up early to make the most of my day. Get out of bed. Get out of bed. I get out of bed as soon as my alarm goes off. Getting out of bed in the morning can be a challenge, but I try to do it promptly. Brush teeth. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth twice a day, in the morning and before bed. It's important to brush your teeth properly for good oral hygiene. Take a shower. Take a shower. I take a shower every morning to feel refreshed. Taking a shower helps me wake up and start the day feeling clean. Get dressed. Get dressed. After I shower, I get dressed for the day. I like to choose comfortable yet presentable clothes for my daily attire. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. I always have breakfast before starting my day. Having a nutritious breakfast gives me energy and sets a positive tone for the day. Go to work. Go to work. I go to work by car every morning. Commuting to work can sometimes be challenging, but I try to make the most of my travel time. Start work. Start work. I start work at 9 a.m. and check my emails. Starting work on time allows me to stay organized and focused on my tasks. Have lunch. Have lunch. I have lunch around noon to refuel during the day. Taking a break for lunch helps me recharge and have a productive afternoon. Take a break. Take a break. I take a short break in the afternoon to stretch and relax. Taking breaks throughout the day helps me stay refreshed and maintain productivity. Continue working. Continue working. After my break, I continue working on my projects. Even when faced with challenges, I try to stay focused and motivated to continue working. Finish work. Finish work. I finish work at 5 p.m. and head home. Finishing work on time allows me to have time for other activities and unwind. Exercise. Exercise. I exercise for 30 minutes every evening. Regular exercise helps me stay fit and improves my overall well-being. Cook dinner. Cook dinner. I cook dinner for myself every night. Cooking dinner allows me to experiment with different recipes and relax after a busy day. Eat dinner. Eat dinner. I sit down to eat dinner with my family every evening. Having dinner together is a time to connect and share experiences with loved ones. Watch TV. Watch TV. After dinner, I watch TV for relaxation. Watching TV helps me unwind and catch up on my favorite shows or movies. Relax. Relax. I like to relax by listening to music or reading a book. Taking time to relax is important for my mental well-being and stress management. Go to bed. Go to bed. I go to bed around 11 p.m. to get a good night's sleep. Establishing a bedtime routine helps me wind down and prepare for restful sleep. Read a book. Read a book. Before sleeping, I read a few pages of a book. Reading books helps me relax and expand my knowledge and imagination. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. I go for a walk in the evening to enjoy fresh air. Taking a walk helps me clear my mind and stay active.